Hello, and a very warm welcome. I'm so glad you've decided to join me today. We're going to spend a few calm minutes together talking about something new. And I promise we'll do it gently and without any pressure at all.
I just love this thought. Retirement really is a new beginning, a time when the road ahead is wide open. It's the perfect opportunity to explore new paths and, well, maybe learn a new skill you've been curious about, like technology. It's a journey we can start right here, together, one simple step at a time. So, here's our simple roadmap for our time together. We'll chat about why now is such a great time to start. We'll also take a moment to acknowledge some of those common worries, and then we'll look at some very, very small first steps. We're just going to move through this slowly and clearly.
Your life after retirement offers such a wonderful gift, the gift of time. There are no deadlines, no rushing off to work. You get to learn at your very own pace, purely for your own enjoyment and curiosity. There is absolutely no rush. And what can this new skill do for you? Well, it can bring the faces and voices of your grandchildren right into your living room, no matter how far away they are. It can help you find that dear friend from high school you haven't spoken to in years. You could learn to garden from online videos, manage your doctor's appointments with a simple calendar, or even take a virtual tour of a museum in Paris. It's all about connection and making things just a little bit easier.
Now, let's talk about something really important. When you're starting something new, it's completely natural to have some concerns. So let's just gently acknowledge them, because your feelings are valid, and believe me, you are certainly not alone. Maybe you've looked at a smartphone or a computer and just felt, well, a little lost, like you don't even know where to begin. If you've ever felt that way, please know that it is perfectly okay.
So many people share these exact same worries. That fear of pressing the wrong button and breaking something? That's a very common one. Or the feeling that it's all just too complicated, maybe that you're somehow behind everyone else. These are thoughts so many people have. And of course, the biggest question of all, where do I even start?
I really want to say this very clearly. These feelings are completely 100% normal. You're beginning a new journey, and it's okay to feel a bit uncertain at the start of any new adventure. The important thing is that you're here and you're curious. And you know what? That is the only thing that matters.
So, with that in mind, let's talk about how to begin. We are going to make this as simple and as stress-free as possible. The goal here is not to become an expert overnight. The goal is just to take one tiny, comfortable step forward. Okay, let's break this down. First, just pick one thing. Don't worry about a computer and a phone and a tablet all at once. Just choose one. Maybe it's the phone that's right there in your pocket. Second, just practice turning it on and then turning it off. That's it. See how the screen comes to life? Then, find one of those little pictures, they call them apps, that looks interesting. Maybe the one with a little sun on it for the weather. Tap it gently. And finally, here's the most important step. Just look. Don't try to do anything. Just look around the screen. Be curious. There's no test, and there is no rush. So, the crucial point in all of this is to start small. In fact, start even smaller than you think you need to. The whole goal is just to build comfort, not to conquer some huge mountain all at once. One small, gentle step is a wonderful victory. Now, once you've taken that first small step, how do you keep building that feeling of comfort and confidence? Well, it's all about creating simple, calm, daily habits. Little moments of exploration that feel easy and, well, even enjoyable. So, let's talk about that big fear we mentioned earlier, the one about breaking something. Here's the wonderful news. You really can't break your device just by tapping on the screen. They're actually designed to be quite tough. And if you ever feel like you've taken a wrong turn, just look for a little arrow or a button that says back. You can almost always get right back to the screen you were on before. Mistakes are not just okay. They are a safe and normal part of learning anything new. And that brings us to the word practice. I know, sometimes that word can sound like hard work or stressful drills. So let's redefine it for ourselves, shall we? For us, practice simply means spending 5 calm minutes each day exploring one single thing. That's it. Maybe today you just open your photos and look at them. Tomorrow, maybe open that weather app again. There are no goals, no tests, and absolutely no pressure. Just 5 minutes of quiet curiosity. See, this is how learning can feel peaceful. As we start to wrap up our time together, I just want to leave you with a simple, calm encouragement. I want you to know, with absolute certainty, that you can do this. You have a lifetime of experience and wisdom.
Learning this is just adding one more new skill to your list.
If you take away only one thing from our chat today, please let it be this. Start small and be patient with yourself. Learning anything new takes time, and you deserve your own kindness and patience along the way. So celebrate the small things, like just successfully turning your tablet on. That is a wonderful first step.
So I'll leave you with a gentle question. With this new open highway of retirement in front of you, and with these simple tools, what new door will you open first? Will you maybe look up a video of your favorite song? Or perhaps send a quick hello message to a family member? The choice is all yours.
Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If you found this helpful and would like more guidance, please subscribe to Tech Made Easy for Seniors for calm and easy technology lessons.